What's up everyone? So today's video I just want to show you a little quick something that I do usually for my food prep for the week. I'll usually buy a large portion of salmon and then I'll just, obviously it's just for me, so in this case I can't eat a whole fish basically by myself, and it'll spoil if you leave it out for too long. So what I do is I portion it up and I put it in Ziploc bags and put it in the freezer. So I'm just going to show you what I got. This is basically the size of it. 23 bucks, basically almost 3 pounds of salmon, which is quite a bit. So basically I'm going to show you what I do. It's nothing too extensive. I open it up, and there's probably a better way that you could dice it up, to be honest with you, but for my purposes I'm not too picky on the format of it. What I do like to do is I lay out the Ziploc bags like this so that if I don't end up needing one of them, I didn't touch it with hands that have fish on it. So basically I just take it and I just cut it into sections that I feel like are good portions for my meals that I want to cook them in. So like I said, there might be a better way to actually cut this, or if you're a food connoisseur maybe you prefer to eat it a certain way or a certain cut, or maybe I'm cutting it completely wrong, but for me, I'm not too picky. This gets it done. So you guys can dice it up however you want, but this is just a quick tip that I like to do just to make sure that I don't waste food and that I'm not overpaying for food, because if I got the smaller portion of salmon, just something maybe just for one meal, it's going to cost you a little bit more. So in this way I can sit there and buy this from Costco and not overpay, but at the same time I'm not wasting any food, so I get a good portion of salmon on each one here. Sometimes you'll find these kind of bones things in it too, so I'll pick those out as I go, but that's basically it. And then I'll take my Ziploc bag, usually with my hand that's still clean, open it with one hand, and then I'll shove my piece of salmon in here. And that's pretty much it. It's not too difficult. So just like so. And then I'll go ahead and put this all in the freezer. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick little tip. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more on the channel. And take care and have a good day.